Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about paid gallery objects such as Dropbox Gallery, Accordion Gallery, Swipe Grid Slider, and sliding panels. Let's start with Dropbox Gallery. Let's place it on our page. And now we need to create access token and insert folder path. For this, you need to sign up or sign in your Dropbox account. You can use free version. After login, we need to create new folder. Give it a name, for example, Dropbox Gallery. Now we need to upload some photos here. This is my pictures. While my pictures upload into Dropbox, let's create app. Developers. Create app. Let's name it something like this. Now we need to generate access token, copy it, and paste it here. Also, we need to specify folder path. Let's see, all files were uploaded. Folder path Dropbox Gallery. Start with this symbol. Now we can specify update frequency. It means that website X5 will check this folder every day, every 10 minutes, every hour, and so on. And if there are new or updated photos, it will display on our site. So we don't need to edit this object each time we upload photos to our Dropbox folder. Now let's change some settings. And now, if we click Preview, we won't see our gallery because we need to upload it to our hosting. We can see a preview, but we need to export our site to internet. Now let's see our site. Here is our Dropbox Gallery. So let's work with other object, Accordion Gallery. Let's add some pictures. We can set description for pictures. We can add some link, action, for example, Showbox Gallery. Or add link to another page. Or any other action. Let's change some options. That's my Google font. Change image by mouse over. And let's see the preview. We can click and see our Dropbox Gallery. Or we can move to another page. So that's how this object works. Next object is not gallery object. It's slideshow object called Swipe Grid Slider. Let's add some images. We can also set any link on each image, set description, we can change pagination style, show scroll bar, show thumbnails, we can change rows and columns, let's see the preview. It also looked nice on mobile devices. So you can consider to use it on your site. The next slideshow object is sliding panels. We cannot add any text or link on it. We can change border color, make it transparent, and here how it look on our site. I have object with different wide and high. In next video tutorial, we will talk about useful objects and settings that will help you to work with this program.